इस्माइल सो रहा है और पैंट तो वहीं पड़ा है। ओ ये पैंट तो थोड़ा छोटा ही लग रहा है, इस्माइल को इससे भी छोटा पहनना है। ठीक है, तो मम्मा ने क्या किया, फिर से थोड़ा सा पैंट कट कर दिया। चलो आप लोगों को भी कट करना है, इफ यू वांट टू कट यू कैन आल्सो कट द पैंट। एंड देन शी आल्सो फोल्डेड इट एंड शी स्टिच्ड इट। ओके, तो अब आप भी फोल्ड कर दो और फिर आप स्टिच कर दो। स्टिच करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, we'll take a marker and put some dotted line on that. तो ये हो गया इस्माइल का पैंट और छोटा हो गया। ओके, और उसके बाद मम्मा ने पैंट रखा और रूम में से बाहर चली गई। और थोड़ी देर बाद कौन आया रूम में, बुआ। कौन आया, बुआ। बुआ पेंटिंग कर रही थी, पेंटिंग खत्म हो गई। अब नाउ शी रिमेम्बर्ड, oh Ismail came for help. He was asking that please alter my pants by 2 inch and I didn't do it. मैंने तो उसका पैंट ऑल्टर किया ही नहीं। तो अभी मैं जाती हूँ, पहले उसका पैंट ऑल्टर करूंगी फिर ही मैं सोऊंगी। आज तो मैं मेरे बच्चे का सब काम करके ही सोऊंगी। She also came to Ismail's room. She opened the door and then अंदर जाके देख रही है इस्माइल तो सो रहा है। कोई बात नहीं इस्माइल, आप सो रहे हो, लेकिन मुझे पता है आपका पैंट लंबा है और आपको मुझे शॉर्ट करके देना है। तो इस्माइल की बुआ ने वो पैंट उठाया, उसने बोला अरे ये तो काफी शॉर्ट है, इससे भी शॉर्ट पहनेगा वो। शायद पैंट नहीं बोला होगा उसने, यही बोला होगा शॉर्ट्स और छोटे हैं और थोड़े लंबे हैं, तो आई विल कट इट, नो प्रॉब्लम इस्माइल, you will be all set for tomorrow. I will alter your pant and I will cut them. तो इस्माइल की बुआ ने भी पैंट कट कर दिया। कैसे करेंगे अभी हम, कट 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 कट। ठीक है, now fold it fold it fold it fold and again fold, right? काफी शॉर्ट हो गए ना। ओ नो, लेकिन फिर बुआ ने क्या बोला, नाउ यू आर ऑल सेट फॉर टुमारो। अभी आप कल ईद के दिन आप ये पैंट पहन सकते हो, शॉर्ट्स। शी सेड ये शॉर्ट्स आप पहन सकते हो, परफेक्ट शॉर्ट्स, इजंट इट? परफेक्ट है ना, आजकल बच्चे शॉर्ट्स पहनते हैं ना। तो बुआ ने सोचा ये शॉर्ट्स ही होंगे, सो फिर उसने रखे शॉर्ट्स और वो रूम में से चली गई। उसके बाद कौन आया रूम में, ओ माय गॉड, उसके बाद दीदी आई रूम में और दीदी ने बोला he is my monkey brother, he always troubles me but still he is my brother, he is my loving brother and I must help him. If he wanted me to alter I must go and help him. तो दीदी आई रूम में धीरे 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 और उसने देखा अरे इस्माइल तो सो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं इस्माइल, आई विल हेल्प यू। सो शी पिक्ड अप द पैंट। ये तो ऑलरेडी बहुत शॉर्ट है, इससे भी शॉर्ट पहनना है इस्माइल को। गर्ल्स एकदम शॉर्ट्स पहनती हैं, बॉयज भी अभी आजकल शॉर्ट्स पहनने लगे हैं। ओह आई डोंट नो वेयर द फैशन इज गोइंग। फिर उसने भी लेकिन लिया पैंट और उसने कट किया 2 inches and then he also folded it and stitched it. Oh my God! इस्माइल के पैंट का क्या हो गया, शॉर्ट्स बन गए। कैन यू सी, उसने भी स्टिच करके पैंट्स रख दिए। और फिर वो इस्माइल को बोली, Smile, my monkey brother, you are all set for tomorrow. You will shine like a hero tomorrow. You will shine like a star. See, I have helped you. I altered your pants, okay, shorts. And then she also left the room. And फिर बाद में Smile सुबह सो के उठा, Eid Mubarak, everyone, Eid Mubarak. He got up from his bed and he said, oh, aaj to Eid hai. Then he brushed his teeth. You also do your brushing, right? He brushed his teeth and then he rushed to the washroom and then he said, okay, where are my clothes, new clothes? And then he took his shirt and then he took his, ये क्या हुआ? मेरे पैंट्स में से शॉर्ट्स बन गया. And he screamed, ah! और सब लोग दौड़ के आ गए. What happened? What happened? Smile. And he said, who did this? किसने मेरे पैंट्स में से शॉर्ट्स बना दिया? Who did this? Who did this? और फिर सभी लोगों ने बोला, बुआ, दादी, और सबने बोला, you only told us to alter it. You only told us. And Ismail was very angry. I told you all, and then that time no one did it. So I did it myself. And I think everyone else had also come and cut my pant. What is this? And he was very angry. पहले तो उसे बहुत गुस्सा आया कि मेरे कैसे फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, पहले ना बोलते हैं कि कुछ नहीं करेंगे और फिर सब आके हेल्प करते हैं. फिर बाद में उसे स्माइल आ गई उसके चेहरे पे कि कैसे मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, पहले तो सब मना करते हैं कि मैं भी नहीं करूंगी, मैं भी नहीं करूंगी, और बाद में सब काम करते हैं मेरे लिए. तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मेरी आई हैव अ लवली फैमिली. So do you also have this type of lovely family? हाँ, in which first they say हम नहीं करेंगे काम and then बाद में सब काम करते हैं. So who all are having this type of lovely family? Tell me. आपके भी पैंट्स, ट्राउजर्स में शॉर्ट्स हो गए? Now you can also tell this funny story to us. So that means, you know, we should not give work to everyone same work, right? अगर आप सबको वही काम बोलोगे तो शॉर्ट्स हो जाएंगे, right? But you also have all of you are also having very lovely family like Ismail. Okay. So did you enjoy the story? Okay, this story was about measurement. Right? Yes. So what?
Yes.
Okay. So what we will do? You like to measure?
Yes.
Right? You like to measure. If you have a measure tape, can you measure your hall? That how many tiles are there in your hall? Tomorrow you can send it to me. You can draw the picture of your house, and in that, or hall, only hall, and in that you can count how many tiles. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can make it and send it as homework. Okay?
Yes.
And okay, so I will repeat the homework again. That what you have to do, you go around your hall, count how many tiles are there. You know, you can count it with your like, you know, if you have a measure tape, or if you have or you can just count how many tiles. Okay, how many tiles in your hall. Okay, and then you draw your hall and put those tiles. Okay, draw the your drawing room. Okay, how many tiles are there in that, count, and then make the picture of it. Okay, and also you can draw Dadima. Do you want to make puppet of Dadima, puppet of Bua, puppet of Mummy, then puppet of Didi, and puppet of Ismail and his trousers. Okay, and you cut, and from the trousers you make shorts. Okay, and I want you all to tell this story to your friends, or you know, you can record the video and share it with your grandma. आपकी दादी माँ आपके साथ रहती है कि दूर रहती है? तो फिर अगर पास में रहती है तो you can tell her there only, but अगर दूर रह रही है तो आप इस्माइल वाला स्टोरी बना के, वीडियो बना के दादी माँ को भेजो. Okay, will you all send the video to दादी माँ? Yes, because see, you also have lovely family. फैमिली में पहले सब मना करते हैं, बाद में लेकिन सब हाँ बोलते हैं ना. We all are having very good families, right? So we will make this type of story for your Dadima, okay, and send her. So we have it. Okay, now you all got green clay. So we will make yes, we will make Eid craft with clay. Okay, so somebody is here. She will take Eid craft.
Sherville's mother.
Sherville's mama will teach us how to make Eid craft with clay. Okay.
Ma'am, can you switch on your video?
Yes, I'm here. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, ma'am,
so
I wanted to show the earlier images, but maybe we can do this and then we can show the images.
yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So can everyone hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And this is visible also, right?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone. And today is Eid. We are going to make a craft related to Eid. Okay, so I have got some clays with me, Play-Doh, and we'll start. Okay. So first we'll make a moss. For that, I'm taking a green colored dough. I'm going to roll it.
And if you have green color dough, please you also make it together.
Whatever the color you have,
Parents,
you can
please
use
help them with the material. And you can use any color, okay?
Any color is fine. Whatever
if you have only one color clay, that is also fine.
Yeah. So I'm going to cut few rectangles for moss. Okay. So I'm using a knife, clay knife. You can use a normal knife as well.
Ma'am is making rectangle for moss. Okay.
Yeah.
Made 3 rectangles.
So I have got 3 rectangles. 2 are of small size. Okay. I'm going to put it here. And this one, same size. And I have got one bigger rectangle, which I'll keep in the middle.
Yeah.
One square also you can take, or rectangle also.
Yeah.
So 3.
Yeah, now better. Yes. Perfect.
Is this?
Yeah.
Yes, it is visible. You can take any color clay.
Whatever you have, beta, whatever you have, you can use that. Very nice. We will wait. You can take time. Don't worry. Okay. Take your time and do it easily. Okay. You can do it. Very
Yes,
nice.
sir. Please let me know if I have to wait.
Yeah, ma'am. Just wait for 1 minute.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, ma'am. I will also open your other images in the meantime. So we'll try to make something like this. You all can see it. I've shared one screen image. Are you all able to see it? Are you all able to see it? Show me thumbs up if you are able to see this. Very nice. Yes.
Yeah,
So
actually, I have it ready with me as well. So if
yeah.
you want, I can show you something like this.
Oh wow. Okay.
Shall I go ahead, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is the base of mask. So I'm going to make some dots on it. Okay, so for that I'm using a bit darker shade of green. You can use any color you want.
And if you don't have dough, play dough, you can also use paper cutting. That's okay. And then color it, or drawing on the paper. That's okay. Whatever you have. Drawing or play dough, anything is fine. Okay.
Yeah. So with this darker shade, I'm going to cut 4 small rectangles. Something like this.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to put it here. Yeah. So it will look
Yes.
something like this.
Yes, it's visible.
Shall I go ahead or wait, sir?
Yes, ma'am, we can continue.
Okay. So our base is ready. Now we are going to make tomes on the moss. Okay. So for that, I'm using pink color. You can choose any color you want. So I'm taking a small portion of pink color. I'm rolling it and making a circle.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so I got 2 semicircles now.
Yes.
I am pinching it upwards so that it will look like a tom.
Wow.
So I'm putting this on the smaller pillar and this one on the other small pillar.
Yes.
And now I'm taking a little bigger portion and I'll make a bigger circle with it. Rather bigger semicircle. And again, I'm going to pinch it upwards so that it will look like a tom. Same procedure for all the 3 toms. Okay, this is a little bigger. I'm going to put it in the middle rectangle, on top of middle rectangle. so far clear?
Yeah. So everybody is able to see this? Very nice. Everybody is able to see this? Very good. Very nice. I see many of them has already done like ma'am. Very nice.
Very good.
Good job.
Now we'll make moon and some stars. Because as the ma'am told in the information on Eid, we have to see the moon, Eid ka chand.
And in the evening, you can also go on the terrace and, or from your balcony, you can see Eid ka chand.
So I have taken yellow color. I'm going to roll it and make a cylindrical shape like this. Okay, for moon. And then I am going to bend it a little. So that it will look like a moon.
Wow.
You have to make a crescent shape moon.
Crescent shape. Is it looking like a moon? We can like detail it further.
Or you can make a round and press and cut it with the bowl
Yeah.
to give that shape.
Yeah, or if you have a dish like this, you can like make a circle and cut two times, and you can make such shape, crescent shape.
You have to make a smiley shape moon.
Children, whatever you like, you can make it, okay? Don't worry, you will be doing very good.
So our moon is ready. So I'm going to place it here.
If you don't have colored dough, you can tell your mama to give atta, okay? With which you make chapati, you can make with that also. Then later you can color it.
Yeah. Even like I use normal maida ka atta, and I add food colors to it to make this dough. Now we are going to make stars. Okay. So for stars, again I'm using yellow color dough. I have taken a small portion. I'm rolling it. I made a circle. Okay. First I have made a circle, and now I'm going to pinch it so that it will look like a star. Pinch it 5 to 6 times so that it will look like a star.
You know the poem, na? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What is the shape of star?
This is our star.
Wow.
You can have 5 or 4 corners, right?
5 or 6 corners. I'm going to make few small stars as well, because in the night there are many stars, right? So same way, I'm going to make little stars.
The moon is not that bright, so you will see so many stars also in the sky. So tonight, go and see the stars and moon also, okay? That is called Eid Ka Chand.
Children, you can make stars, moon, circle, whatever you like with the Play-Doh. You can be creative. Very nice. Very good. Are you all liking it? Yeah, we can see Aroi.
Very nice.
Aroi, show it here. Oh, wow.
Beautiful, Aruhi.
Good job, Aroi. Say hello.
Wow, very nice.
Superb. Very nice. Who is ready
And
next?
we can few clouds as well,
Very
because
nice.
it could be little cloudy as well.
Aisha is also doing very nice. Good
Wow,
job.
that looks so beautiful.
Wow, wow. Beautiful. Very
Wow.
nice. There were many other also ready.
Somebody has done drawing. Very good.
Very nice
I could
drawing.
see some drawing.
Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful. Good job. Yeah, I will check the drawing also. Whatever is coming, I am showing it.
Wow,
Wow.
very nice.
Superb. Superb.
Your face is not visible, but face is not visible. You
The
can
smile is visible. Very good. Very nice. Good job. Wow. Show it again, Danvi. Show it again. Wow. Very nice.
Very
Superb.
good.
Very colorful. Very nice.
Very good. So children, if your parents have helped, it is fine. But I want you all to make it yourself,
Yeah.
because it is good for finger development.
Yeah,
We
very
have-
nice.
Very
Yugandhar.
nice. So why
Good
we do
job.
this clay work, parents? Because we want their fingers to be developed. So we all will again allow children to make. It's good that you are sitting and helping them, but we have to develop their fingers. So
Sanvi, show it
again, all my
again.
children, try it yourself, okay?
Sanvi, show it again. Wow. Superb.
Very good.
Who else is ready? Vivan. Very nice.
Vivan, you have done drawing?
Wow.
That's so good.
Superb.
Show your face, bacha. Your face is not visible.
Now it is visible. Yeah.
Very good.
Wow, it's yellow color.
Okay.
So bright. Wow.
Very good.
Yeah. Very nice. Good job. Wonderful. This is also wonderful.
Very good.
Wow, Rhythm, we are coming to you now. Very good. Rhythm, show it again. Wow. Very nice, Ishita. Very nice. Wow.
Very good. So all will make themselves, okay? If your parents have helped now, after this, again you will also make. Will you all make it?
Whatever
Yes,
you
very
like,
good.
yeah, whatever
Very
you
good.
like, you can make it.
And
Play
thank you,
with it.
parents, for helping them and encouraging. It is also required. Very
So
good.
here you go, yeah.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, beta.
Good job. Wow, Meera.
So
What a
colorful.
colorful, wow. Amazing. A lot of artists there actually in the room. Wow, Dhruvi. Wow, show it again. Now we can see it.
Good job, Dhruv.
Wow, Dhruv, good job. Very nice. All of you have done wonderful. Wow, little one.
Very nice.
Dhruvi.
Yes.
Show it again, beta. See, participation is very important.
Whatever you do, it's good.
Show your drawing. You have done drawing or you have done.
Very
Very
nice,
good.
Dhruvi.
Very good.
Wow. Eva.
Good job.
Superb. Smile. Wow. Very nice. Wow, wonderful. Oh, superb.
Superb.
Who else? Wow, superb. Pritesh, very nice. Very colorful. Whose drawing is this? Very nice. Wow, wow, superb.
You see,
Wow.
all colorful things look so pretty.
Superb. You guys have done really good. You can do it. Very nice. You can do anything. Wow.
You know, you can use that Ismail's trousers you can make, and then with your
Cut
knife
it.
you can cut. You
You
can
can
tell the
make-
story like that also.
And you can
okay?
record it and share it with everyone. Very
good.
nice. Sonam, very nice. Yes, very nice, Ruby.
Very neat and clean.
Very nice. These guys are all expert actually. Wow. Superb. We enjoyed it. Wow.
So important thing is that you need to do it yourself, okay? Doesn't matter how it looks, but it's already looking very nice, but you have to make it yourself because it will help you later in writing.
Yes, ma'am. I think you really did amazing artwork, ma'am. Thank you so much. If you can
Thank
show
you.
one more time, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have also added 2 clouds here and some detailing over the tops.
Wow.
So it will look like the
Wow.
moss.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you,
Properly. खड़े हुए मुंह से फोटो दे
Bye bye.
ईद मुबारक वाले फेस देखो ईद मुबारक वाली स्माइल तो कर दे ऐसे करो एक हाथ से देखो ऐसे मैं आपको तेरी कपड़ पाएगी क्या एक हाथ से हाँ ठीक है
एक साथ
बराबर है